Bro, what happened?
Weight reduction, bro.
Welcome back to another episode of vTuned. So in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and start stripping all the bad parts off this hellcat. I wanna go ahead and take both doors off and go ahead and strip the whole interior. Let's get started. All right, guys, before I start taking anything off, I always like to get a nice box and get some Ziploc baggies so you can go ahead and put all your bolts in there and some markers so you can label everything, just so whenever you're going to put this car back together, you don't lose anything. So let's go ahead and get this door off. All right, so we got both doors off. Now we need to go ahead and get these seats out. Just 2 bolts right here and 2 in the back. So we got both doors off, passenger seat. Now we need to go ahead and remove the rear seat and then go ahead and get the headliner off. Just pull it out. All right, so in order to get the seatbelt out, we're gonna have to go ahead and get the headliner out because there's a bolt back here and I do not want to break it. So we need to go ahead and take off these handles. All right, so we got the center console out and the driver's seat. Now it's time to go ahead and remove these rear seats. All right, so the rear seat is out. Now we need to go ahead and take that seat belt out and this seat belt. And then we got one more seat belt. And guys, we are gonna go with the orange seat belts. A lot of people were saying they want the orange, so we're gonna go ahead and take them all out and get them shipped off. All right, so this one is off. Gonna go ahead and just put it next to all the other parts. Now let's get the other one off. so the seat belts are out. Now we're ready to go ahead and pop the headliner off. All right. Wait, hold on. All right, let's see where it goes. Oh, we probably need to get this piece off. Hold on. Oh, never mind. Oh, hold on. Look at that. Man, there's glass everywhere. All right. Look here. Yeah, go ahead and unplug the sides. This side doesn't have them. All right, so the headliner is off. Guess we're gonna fish it through here. All right, got it. Yeah. Kind of have to bend it a little bit, but it comes out pretty easy. There you go. There we have it. We got the headliner out. Just put it over here. Hold on. I'm really surprised that the headliner did not break. It did, or yeah, it actually did break. Never mind. It didn't look like it was broken inside, so we will be getting a new headliner or repairing this one. But yeah, we got everything out. Now we need to go ahead and remove both airbags. A little too big. Hold on. I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. Right. Tight again. Just rip it off. Just break it. Break it. All right, that airbag is off. Now we need to go ahead and get this one off. Old airbag. Jump. All right, guys, it's almost stripped. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and replace this sunroof. If you know anybody with a good sunroof, go ahead and drop that in the comment section below. All right, that's the sunroof. Go easy, easy, easy. All right, we need it back for it. So that is the sunroof, guys. It is broken. Might just do a sunroof delete. Don't know. Maybe we just weld up this hole. Put some carbon fiber over here. All right, so we got the sunroof off. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of cleanup inside, get all the glass out so we can go ahead and get this carpet out and get it stored properly, because there is a lot of glass still everywhere. We even got some leaves right here and some money. That's pretty cool. I'll buy myself a Coke or something. All right, let's go ahead and get all this cleaned out and get the carpets out. We got the carpet out. We went ahead and vacuumed everything, and we even wiped down the dash just to get everything nice and clean. Now we need to go ahead and cut this window out because there are spot welds right here along the roof that we're gonna need access to. So let's go ahead and cut that out. All right, so we got the rear glass out. Now we want to take out the front glass, but we're also going to go ahead and take off the hood just so it's going to be easier to take off this cowl, and the hood is bad anyway, so might as well just take it off right now. Guys, we're actually thinking about hanging it on the wall. Let us know what you think. That'd be a pretty cool decoration piece. So let's take this hood off. Really simple, just 2 bolts on each side. You don't have to run gun this shit. What does it matter if I just... All right, so we got the hood off. It's over there. Now we need to go ahead and take off the wiper blades. It's a little clip right there, and then it's a 13mm bolt. Damage the supercharger. Bro, get off the supercharger. Nah, that dude's burnt Hellcat. The supercharger looks like it's still good, so I don't think your knee's gonna pop it up. Oh, yeah, put that in. Here, let me see it. All right, all these clips are coming off. Hold on. Guys, check out all these parts. If anybody needs some parts, we don't need them anymore because this is weight reduction. All right, guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and cut out the front glass. We need to take out that mirror. How does it come off? There we go. That was easy. Just press one button. We got the rain sensor. Make sure you don't break that. All right, it's ready to cut. All right, guys, so we got everything off the car that we need to get off right now. We got all the doors off, all the seats, both glasses. Looks really good. Now we're gonna go ahead and sort out all these parts, get them all done, and that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. As you can see behind, we took everything apart. We got both doors off. The entire interior is all stripped and ready for the body work for the new roof and the new A-pillar. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram at vTuned, we post a lot of cool pictures and stuff. So guys, thanks for watching.